When I started my English speaking journey, my biggest problem was not grammar, not vocabulary, but my biggest problem was thinking in Hindi and then translating it into English in my head. And because of this, my mind always get blank. And if this happens with you also, watch this video till the end. This video will change the way you speak English. Hi everyone, this is Manas and today is the day 13 of my 100 days English speaking challenge. Today we'll talk about a very important topic, which is how to think in English. If you can think in English, speaking become very natural, confident and very fluent. Let me tell you the mistake I used to make. If there is a situation I have to say, मुझे भूख लग रही है, then suddenly my mind started translating it into English. When all this was running into my head, I suddenly get blank, fear and panic. This happens with you also. Comment down below me. Let me tell you one thing that will fix your this problem. Have you ever seen childs how they speak their language? They see their elders. They don't think about grammar, whether it is Hindi or English. They just say their elders or surroundings speaking in English. And in what situation, what they should say, they just learn from their elders. So from now, you just have to start learning the sentences in different kind of situation. So today I will share three practical ways that help me. Point number one is think in words, not in sentences. Because when you start thinking in sentences, your brain automatically start thinking with grammar. It started worrying about your grammar. How will you pronunciate it? But this is not the right way. Start thinking in words first. It is okay to say broken English. So from now, whenever you have to say something in English, start thinking in words and then your mind will automatically shape them in the sentences. Number second is self-talk. Yeah, talk to yourself. You won't go mad, I promise. When you are alone in different kind of situations, assume and talk like if someone is asking you a question, how will you react? What you will say in this situation? Say it loud so your tongue muscle memory will be trained. So, for instance, if I am in this situation, I am making this video. I am a little nervous, but it is the part of the process. So, this is my self talk in this situation. I am in the lighting in front of the camera making a video. So I will thought like this. Like you see, no translation, no pressure, only flow. This simple habit changed my English speaking journey and it also helped me a lot. And point number three is change your inner voice. As I read somewhere, human brain processes 60,000 thoughts every single day. So what if we think all that stuff, that city stuff in 60,000 thoughts in English? Our English will become far better. Whatever we'll think from today, we'll think in English. Like if we are not talking to ourselves loud in this time, in this real time, I am talking in my inner voice that I have to make this video and after that I have to edit and sleep. So instead of thinking all this inner voice in Hindi, I should try to speak in English in my own. So what you have to do is small with small sentences or words. Slowly and automatically English will come out and your natural English thinking will grow. Okay, so that's it for the video. If this video helped you even a little, please like the video and subscribe to this channel because this is the 100 days English speaking challenge and we are growing together. See you on the next day.